What letter is it?
R.
R. Good. What letter is that? Show Mommy another one of your letters. Can you get one of your other letters?
D.
D. Good.
D.
Good. What are the other ones?
D.
What's the next one?
D.
Yeah, good.
D.
What are the other letters?
D.
Do you see one of the other letters? What are those?
What's this?
D.
What's that?
D. D.
D. Good.
Good job, bud.
Good. M.
O.
R. Good. What's this one? What's that letter?
E.
Good.